Hello friends, welcome to TH channel. Today we are taking past situation, past situation and present situation. Combining together past and present, we are making one sentence. भूतकाळ आणि वर्तमान काळाला बघून आपण एकच सेंटेंस कशा प्रकारे करू शकता. लेट अस सी. वाज यहाँ पर था पास्ट, वेर थे, आई एम है, इज है, आर आहेत. See here, past, we are taking here the past. He was teacher, तो टीचर होता. I was student, मी विद्यार्थी होतो. He is headmaster, वो हेडमास्टर था. आई एम टीचर, मैं टीचर हूँ. यहाँ पर ही इज हेडमास्टर, उन्हों हेडमास्टर है, अभी है. आई एम टीचर, मैं टीचर हूँ. when we are combining present and past, we are making the one sentence. when, earlier I have taken what is the meaning of when. ఎప్పుడైతే అప్పుడు, जेव्हा तेव्हा, जब तब. so with the when we are combining now. now बोले तो अब, when बोले तो जब तब, now बोले तो अब. now means here now. See here how to make the sentences of this present, past and present. when, when, when he was teacher, जब उन्हों टीचर था. I was student, मैं स्टूडेंट था. now अभी, he is headmaster, वो हेडमास्टर है. and I am teacher. Here we are combining the past and present with the when and now, that making only one sentence, friends. So that is why you must take it and listen carefully what I am telling. Past and present. when you were in Mumbai, we were in Hyderabad. जब आप मुंबई में थे, हम हैदराबाद में थे. नाउ यू आर इन न्यू दिल्ली, अब तुम न्यू दिल्ली में है. एंड वी आर इन भोपाल. जब आप मुंबई में थे, तब हम हैदराबाद में थे. नाउ अब तुम न्यू दिल्ली में है और हम भोपाल में हैं. लाइक दिस सेंटेंसेस. when Narendra Modi was chief minister, KCR was central minister. now Narendra Modi is prime minister, KCR is chief minister. Here past and present, we are talking about past and present, friends. now when, जब Virat Kohli was child, Sunil Gavaskar was captain. now Virat Kohli is captain, Sunil Gavaskar is, and Sunil Gavaskar is coach. Like this we are making the sentences, friends. So friends, it is easy to understand. That is why don't by heart the question answers here. Now take next one. What is the next? Your. Here we are taking the your brothers were workers. That is the past situation. Our brothers were owners. Here present situation. Your brothers are owners, our brothers are workers. Now combining together, we are making the sentences. How we are making the sentence? See, when your brothers when your brothers were when your brothers were workers, when your brothers were workers, our brothers were owners. When your brothers, when your brothers here, when your brothers were workers, our brothers were owners. Now your brothers are owners and our brothers are workers, friends. When his mother, जब उसकी माँ अटेंडर थी, हर मदर वाज लीडर, जब उसकी माँ अटेंडर थी तब उसकी माँ बोल तो दूसरी लड़की की माँ लीडर थी. नाउ his mother is minister and her mother is chief minister. Like this you make the sentences. When their neighbors, जब उनके पड़ोसी, were poor, our neighbors were rich, जब उनके पड़ोसी गरीब थे, हमारे पड़ोसी धनवान थे. Now their neighbors are rich and our neighbors are poor. Like this you make the sentences. When your college was beside temple, जब तुम्हारी कॉलेज टेम्पल के बाजू में थी, my college was in front of temple, तब मेरी कॉलेज टेम्पल के सामने थी. नाउ अब your college is behind मस्जिद, अब तुम्हारी कॉलेज मस्जिद के पीछे है. एंड my college is on road. Friends, from this to this one, from this to this, this is the only one sentence, only one sentence. Here onwards I am making the big sentence. That is why you must be careful about this one. From the you see the first part, from the first person, then only it is possible to understand. It is very easy to speak and write, friends. Now take the next one. When you were singers, जब आप सिंगर थे, your friends were dancers. Now you are directors and your friends are producers. Like this you make the sentences. When Barack Obama was president, जब बराक ओबामा प्रेसिडेंट थे, तब हिज फैमिली वाज इन व्हाइट हाउस, जब उनकी फैमिली व्हाइट हाउस में थी. नाउ ही इज एक्स प्रेसिडेंट, ही बोल तो कौन यहाँ पर, बराक ओबामा. नाउ ही इज एक्स प्रेसिडेंट, हिज फैमिली इज आउटसाइड व्हाइट हाउस. लाइक दिस you make the sentences, friends. What I am telling is that these are the not a single simple sentence. I am combining मी पास्टला आणि प्रेझेंटला घेऊन సెంటెన్సెస్ बनवत आहे. నేను భూతకాలము మరియు ఇప్పుడు వర్తమాన కాలంలో సెంటెన్స్లు తీసుకొని ఒకటే సెంటెన్స్ ఎలా చేస్తారు అది నేను చెప్పడానికి ప్రయత్నిస్తున్నాను, ఫ్రెండ్స్. అందుకోసమే మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా చూసేటప్పుడు what is the past, earlier I have taken so many sentences on the past and so many sentences on present situation, and those are I am combining and making only one sentence, friends. That is why you see this one from the first onwards. When I was hero as well as leader, जब मैं हीरो साथ ही साथ लीडर था. My wife was singer as well as dancer, मेरी बीवी सिंगर साथ ही साथ डांसर थी. कब थी? When I was hero, जब मैं हीरो था, हीरो और लीडर था, मेरी वाइफ मेरी बीवी सिंगर और डांसर थी. नाउ अब I am producer and my wife is director. This is the only one sentence. Next, when tiger was in circus, जब टाइगर सर्कस में था, it was weak. it बोलते कौन यहाँ पर? टाइगर. When tiger was in circus, it was weak. Now it is in forest. It is in forest. it बोलते कौन यहाँ पर? टाइगर. Now it is in forest and it is strong. अब वो strong है. When Rahul was rich, जब राहुल रिच था, he was happy. जब राहुल रिच था तो उन्हें बहुत हैप्पी था. नाउ ही इज पुअर, अब वो गरीब है. एंड ही इज अनहैप्पी, और वो अनहैप्पी है. दैट इज वाई फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग, रिपीटिंग अगेन एंड अगेन, आई एम रिपीटिंग वंस अगेन, saying that I am taking the past situation and present situation and combining together and forming the only one sentence. That is why friends, what should you do? Subscribe my channel, share with friends, and like it, and comment friends, so that I can get encouragement. Thanks friends.